Are you feeling uninspired and looking for a way to unleash your creativity? Look no further than our collection of 10 craft and DIY projects that are guaranteed to amaze you. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these projects will spark your imagination and allow you to create something truly unique and beautiful. From personalized wall art to custom jewelry, our projects cover a wide range of crafting skills and techniques. We've included step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and plenty of inspiration to get you started. Each project is designed to be customizable, so you can make it truly your own and let your creativity run wild. Not only are these projects a great way to express your creativity, but they also make great gifts for friends and family. Imagine the look on their face when they receive a one-of-a-kind piece that you created just for them. So grab your crafting supplies and get ready to unleash your creativity with these 10 amazing craft and DIY projects. With a DIY geometric wall art tutorial, are you ready to unleash your creativity? Our list of 10 craft and DIY projects is guaranteed to amaze and inspire you. One of our favorites is the DIY geometric wall art tutorial. This project is perfect for anyone who wants to add a touch of modern and minimalist design to their home decor. With just a few supplies, including wooden dowels and a hot glue gun, you can create stunning geometric shapes to hang on your walls. The possibilities are endless as you can choose any color or pattern to match your personal style. Follow our step-by-step tutorial to create your own unique pieces of wall art that are sure to impress. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your impressive craft skills. 2. Upcycling old furniture with paint. One of the most satisfying and environmentally friendly craft projects you can undertake is upcycling old furniture with paint. Not only does this project allow you to unleash your creativity, but it also enables you to minimize waste by giving new life to something old. With a little paint, an old chair, table, or dresser can be transformed into a unique and stylish piece of furniture that adds character to any room in your home. The key to success in this project is to choose the right kind of paint for the furniture you are upcycling and to prepare the surface properly before you begin painting. With the right tools and techniques, you can create a beautiful piece of upcycled furniture that is both functional and visually striking. 3. Handmade concrete planters project. If you're someone who loves working with your hands and is looking for creative ways to spruce up your home decor, then the Handmade Concrete Planters project is perfect for you. This simple and affordable DIY project is a great way to showcase your green thumb while adding a touch of minimalism to your living space. All you need are some basic materials like concrete mix, molds, and a little bit of creativity to make your own unique planters. The end result is not just a beautiful and functional piece of home decor, but also a source of pride since you've made it with your own two hands. With this project, you can unleash your inner artist and create a masterpiece that is sure to amaze your friends and family. 4. Crafting beautiful dream catchers. Dream catchers are beautiful and spiritual objects that have been used for centuries by various cultures to capture bad dreams and ensure only good dreams are allowed to pass through. Crafting beautiful dream catchers can be an incredibly fulfilling and creative experience. It allows you to unleash your creativity and imagination while at the same time creating a unique and meaningful work of art. You can use a variety of materials to create your dream catcher, such as feathers, beads, threads, and natural fibers. The possibilities are endless, and you can let your imagination run wild. Whether you are an experienced crafter or just starting, making beautiful dream catchers is an excellent DIY project that is guaranteed to amaze you and anyone who sees your finished product. 5. Making personalized candles at home. Looking for a fun and innovative DIY project to unleash your creativity? Making personalized candles at home is a great way to express your artistic side while creating a functional item that can be enjoyed in your home or given as a thoughtful gift. With a few simple supplies, including wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and dyes, you can create unique candles that match your decor, express your personality, or reflect the season. Plus, the process of making candles can be therapeutic and relaxing, making it a great activity to unwind after a long day. With this DIY project, you can enjoy the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and practical with your own hands. 6. Creating stunning paper flowers. Creating stunning paper flowers is a beautiful and intricate craft that can truly unleash your creativity. With a few supplies and some patience, you can make beautiful blooms that will last a lifetime. This DIY project is perfect for those who love to add a touch of nature to their home decor or for those who simply want to surprise a loved one with a unique and thoughtful gift. To begin, you will need high-quality paper in a variety of colors, scissors, glue, and wire. Once you have your supplies, you can begin to experiment with different shapes and sizes, creating your own unique and stunning paper flowers that will amaze your friends and family. With a little practice, you'll be able to create beautiful bouquets that will bring joy to any room. 7. Customizing fabric tote bags. Unleash your creativity with this exciting project idea. Customizing fabric tote bags. Fabric tote bags are versatile, reusable, and eco-friendly, making them the perfect canvas for your DIY project. This craft is easy to do and requires minimal materials, yet the end result is a unique and personalized accessory that you can use every day. The possibilities are endless when it comes to customization. You can paint, embroider, stencil, or even add your own fabric appliques. Not only is it a fun and creative way to spend your time, but it also encourages sustainability by reducing the need for disposable bags. With this project, you can create a stylish and functional accessory that is truly one of a kind. 8. Building a modern bookshelf. Building a modern bookshelf can be a fun and rewarding DIY project for anyone looking to spruce up their living space. With a few basic materials and tools, you can create a stylish and functional bookshelf that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. To begin, you will need to select the type of wood you want to use and cut it to the desired lengths and widths. You can then assemble the pieces using a combination of screws, nails, and glue. To give your bookshelf a modern look, consider adding some decorative elements, such as metal brackets or geometric shapes. Once you've completed the construction, you can stain or paint the bookshelf to match your decor. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can unleash your inner designer and create a beautiful and functional modern bookshelf that will impress your friends and family. 9. Decorating with macrame wall hangings. Macrame wall hangings are a popular and versatile way to add texture and style to any room in your home. Whether you prefer a bohemian or minimalist aesthetic, macrame can be tailored to suit your personal taste and decor. With a variety of knotting techniques and styles to choose from, you can create a unique piece that complements your existing art and furniture or serves as a statement piece on its own. Plus, learning macrame can be a relaxing and rewarding creative outlet that allows you to express yourself and unleash your inner artist. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at the beautiful and intricate designs you can create with just a few simple knots and materials. 10. Designing unique greeting cards. Designing unique greeting cards is a craft that can unleash your creativity and produce a product that will amaze the recipient.